I spent the last 10 days being a brand new YouTuber in 2022. So how well has it gone? Before I answer this and get into the analytics, here's a few things I need you to know. Number 1, I don't have a sponsor for this video because obviously I've only been doing it for 10 days, so enjoy. Number 2, this was not a challenge, so I didn't try to upload as many videos as I could or anything, or hit a certain goal. This is just 10 real days of trying to get my channel to be the best it could be, while growing a little bit of a community already. Number 3, I need you to know that you have to subscribe because at 1,000 I could start monetizing. Then when I monetize, I get money, then I could quit my job. But seriously, thank you for watching. So let's get into it. All right, 10 days on YouTube. How's it gone? Honestly, it's been really good. I've seen some real progress in my channel, and I think that the viewership is great for how new it is. I don't have a bunch of amazing equipment or anything too expensive or anything at all. I haven't even used a face cam, so don't feel like you have to if you're trying to start one, although I bet it does help. What I do want to get into is my analytics and sub count, as that's probably why you're here and most interested in. Obviously, you could see that I have almost 90 subs, which is a little under 10 per day. I personally think that this is really good for the amount of time that I've spent, but I am a little disappointed in myself that I don't have 100 yet, just because I wanted to do it for the video. YouTube is this never-ending loop for me of what ifs, and what I mean by that is when I upload a video, there are an infinite amount of titles, thumbnails, decisions, the way my video is structured, that I second guess myself at every single one of those decisions. I know this will probably get better over time as I'll find out what works, but man, it is tough being brand new with no real direction yet. Now for the total views that I have, it's just right under 9,000. This channel is a Call of Duty focused channel, and what worries me about that is the competition that I have. There are so many COD commentating channels out there, and historically there just have been, to the point that I'm worried that I don't stand out enough. I do notice that a lot of other creators are really high energy as to where I have more of a chill vibe, so maybe that could be my niche. I have big plans for future videos, IRL content, and other stuff that I don't want to give away yet, so we'll see just which direction the channel takes me. Next up is watch hours, which is just under 85. Unfortunately, half of these are my short form videos and about half of them are long. This matters because I need 4,000 watch hours on my long form videos to monetize. They don't count short videos, unfortunately. So I am doing a good job at pushing out those shorts, but I may need to scale back a little bit of that energy to focus on my long form, perfecting those and making more of them. Now we're on to subscribers. This one is obviously important, not only from a monetization standpoint, but this is what dictates my community as a whole. I consider my subscribers as my little community because these are the ones who've really supported me throughout these 10 days. One of the best examples I can give is someone named Spooky on Twitter. They were one of the first people to support me on this channel and retweets my links on Twitter and is an all-around amazing supporter. I've never met them before or anything, literally just when I started this channel, so thank you, man. I also started a TikTok and have seen some success on there, but not giving it too much attention, just re-uploading my YouTube videos. TikTok, although very much full of memes and other stuff, has some great supporters on there as well. People have been DMing me, cheering me on, and I know content creation can be toxic at times, but if you're truly just a good person and just starting out, reach out to the people who support you. It could be a very exciting and supportive community that you can build, as I think I've done that already. On to some individual video performance. I'm not going to go through every second of a video unless you guys want me to, but I'll take you through some of my long form videos as they are most important. Right now I have 4 long form uploads, so about one every other day. I started off with a trending topic, which was Advanced Warfare 2 coming out. This was actually late off the trend by 2 or 3 days, so this is probably why it didn't do that great. Although I shouldn't complain because 120 views for my first video ever is great. I should let you know that my other job was video editing, so it was easy for me to make, but these videos obviously aren't edited in depth at all, so it shouldn't be too hard for you. If you need a free video editor, check out DaVinci Resolve. The free version is super in-depth, so learn about it if you want to use it. The next video I made was the banger for my channel so far. I knew that this one was a hot topic, and I actually didn't know that Exclusive Ace had done a video about this before. I don't research YouTube videos when I'm trying to make one. I pretty much just do it off the top of my head or look at things that are trending on Twitter, or just stuff that I think of when I play. This video started off at a normal watch pace, getting maybe 30 to 50 views until about a day and a half after I uploaded it. The algorithm must have picked it up because it was being pushed out pretty hard for 9 to 10 hours. Hard is obviously relative to my channel. This video popping off is exactly the boost my channel needed for the start. It netted me 43 subs and showed off my potential as a content creator. A lot of the comments were pretty much, who are you and why is this video low-key pretty good? You deserve more subs. This was super heartwarming and it boosted my confidence, although that endorphin rush was quickly settled back down when my next video was at a humble 70 views. Now you might say that 70 views is a lot for a new YouTuber, and I agree 100%, but I have very high expectations for myself as someone who makes content for other successful people and brands. That reason is most likely why I'm seeing the success I've gotten so far, so I'm excited to keep going. YouTube is a grind and there's a lot of emotions involved with the numbers, especially if you look at them day to day like I do. It is truly a roller coaster. My latest video I've had a lot of trouble with, and I'm not a huge Warzone person and I don't know much about Warzone 2.0. I thought that this one could have been a bit more in-depth and longer. It's my worst performing one yet, but that's all right. YouTube Shorts are something that I've been focusing on a lot because of Mr. Beast. I don't know if you've watched Mr. Beast in the Full Send podcast talking about YouTube Shorts, but you definitely should. I follow his advice a lot because obviously dude is god of YouTube. I try to push out 1 to 2 short videos per day, and these are getting better and better every single time I upload, honestly. Most of it is just due to YouTube trying to build up their platform to compete with TikTok, I think, so I'm riding that wave really hard. Funny enough, my best short is just a clip of my worst performing long video. The other shorts I make are good too, they're just short scripts, and I'm getting into the evergreen content as well, so that basically just means search content. Overall, shorts are important and you should do them. They've been very good to me, and the success I'm seeing with them is encouraging. The last metric I'll talk about is one of the most important ones, watch time. My average long form watch time is 2 minutes and 7 seconds. This is about 50% as my videos are just around 4 minutes. I won't extend this probably until monetization hits, although I may change this thought. 50% is okay, but I'd like to extend the retention longer, so if anyone has some good ideas, let me know. I'll probably watch a video about it, so that'll help, but yeah, 50% is decent, I guess. I'm happy with it so far. Here's some other random stats. I have a great click-through rate. It's almost 7%, so that means like when someone sees my thumbnail, that's how often they click it when they scroll past. I believe an average CTR is like 2 or 3%, so my thumbnails I feel like are solid here. I just use Canva, honestly, for thumbnails. Sometimes I think people worry too much about it and put a lot of time into it. Just use a template that works and go with it if you can't think of anything else. Canva's free for the most part. To sum it up, 10 days on YouTube has me 9,000 views, 85 subs, 83 watch hours, and a perfect little community that I can't wait to continue to grow. If you'd like to reach out to me at any point, please feel free. Twitter, Insta, the comments, anywhere, honestly. Honestly, I'm saying honestly a lot. Honestly. My socials are in the description and I'd love to chat or play Call of Duty. Also, yeah, I'm really good at the game. I promise you. 1v1 me, bro. Subscribe and goodbye. Love you all.